And we're not going to open the hood right now, but we're going to do a quick cold start. Alright, keys in it. Wait to start. I always wait to start. I like to wait to start. Runs pretty good. I had to reshoot this section. I messed up the audio in the last section.
Ever had one of those days when nothing goes right? Your wife starts bitching about whatever it was she was bitching about last night. So you escape into the bathroom just to sit there on your throne. But after you finish your business, the toilet paper's gone. Well, it's a great day for me to whoop somebody's ass. It's a bad day, so you better get off my back. You might get cold cocked if you cross my path. 'Cause it's a great day for me to whoop somebody's ass.